Yeah. Been around a while, you know, people say Winnebago, you usually think of, you know, like a Class C motorhome, but, you know, they make some great, and I love these these smaller units.
Yeah.
These, you can get into a lot different places than the bigger ones.
Right, I mean, look at that. Look at those tires. You're going to get to anywhere you want with the, you got space here to.
Give you a nice 15-inch tire there, gives you a nice little clearance.
Yeah.
Again, for those that, you know, kind of going off the beaten path and getting into different areas, those make it really, really nice.
Love it. Love it. Some pass-through?
Yeah, pass-through storage. Winnebago makes a nice little magnetic catch for your door here.
Okay.
So it just goes up and magnetizes there, so don't have to worry about latching it in.
Yeah.
Gives you, you know, your outside shower on the other side.
Okay.
Comes with a nice little, just like garden hose sprayer, that they give you a nice little port right here for.
Okay.
Goes in similar to like an air hose.
Oh yeah, that's it.
And so that way you can use it. Winnebago gives you a nice 31-gallon freshwater tank. So,
right.
You know, not a whole lot, but definitely plenty of water, you know, especially if you're going off boondocking and not going to be hooked up to water.
Well, nowadays, I say nowadays, it's been around for a while, but you take your bottled water, so you're not drinking that water, you know, it's just, yeah. I was going to say something. Oh, the adorable little awning.
Yep, nice awning here.
Yeah.
Again, LED lighting, which is almost becoming a standard, you know, across the industry, but makes it really nice to light up the area for you. Gives you a nice little backer location for a TV out here also.
All right, so we'll go inside. I know that inside, obviously, with it being a Micro Mini, we've got less space, but even with the less space, this still feels roomy.
Yeah, you know, these are typically intended for like a couple. So, you know, plenty of room for two people to move in and around in here. The slide definitely gives you a little bit of extra space. But, you know, again, these are great, nice little couple campers for those that, you know, really want to travel around. You know, the smaller, the lighter weight, you know, especially now with gas prices, you know, if you're going to do a lot of traveling, the small, lighter weight units are definitely going to be your better option.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's start back here then. Obviously, you got your bed back here. It's a queen, RV queen, or what do they call it? Trailer queen?
RV queen.
RV queen. Okay.
Nice storage up there. Gives you a nice little pocket there at the head of the bed for you to put your phone or whatever, and a couple USB ports right there close to it. So.
Right. There's some storage here for either pantry or, you know, whatever you want to put in there.
Yep.
But it's right here next to the kitchen. Makes me think you'd use it for some food.
Yeah, and you know, you mentioned earlier, you know, ideas being on Pinterest for something else we were talking about earlier. You know, there's Pinterest things for how to use storage and what to do in RVs. Again, my wife has probably list upon lists.
Right.
So.
Awesome. Some storage underneath there.
Yep.
Kind of blends in underneath here. I really like the color of some of these cabinets.
Yeah, very nice.
Cool.
You know, wooden feel to it. And these are, you know, nice little booth here. You know, you easily fit, you know, two adults or, you know, four fairly easy if you're, you know, out camping, want to play a game of cards or something.
Right.
Nice 10.3 cubic foot
I was say it's a good size for a smaller RV. Yeah. What do we got going on here? Convection? Yep, convection oven, which is always nice.
And that's, again, these smaller units, a convection microwave kind of gives you, you know, the benefits of a microwave. You're kind of an oven all in one instead of having to take up space for both there.
Yeah.
Nice 3-burner stove for you.
Perfect. Some drawers underneath. If you're losing a oven, you might as well use the storage space.
Absolutely. You know, some pots and pans in there, some other utensils. Great utilization of space. Nice little single sink there. You know, for a small camper, that's a great size sink for dishes.
Yeah.
And again, it's even going to give you your sprayer. So I love that they're starting to incorporate those into the units here.
It's so nice. Take a look at the bathroom in here. There you go.
Gives you a nice, again, utilizing the space for a small unit like this, a nice little sink area there for you, even a medicine cabinet.
Is there a sink in there? I just assumed there wouldn't be a sink because of it being smaller, like you just use a sink. But yeah, so there you go. We don't have a shower curtain on there, but obviously you'd have a shower curtain on there.
Yeah, it probably just came as a shortage from the manufacturer. As we've had to deal with, over the last few months. Instead of holding it up at the manufacturer, making the customer wait just for a curtain, they'll go ahead and send it out and then send it, when it finally comes in. Then nice little entertainment center here. Gives you a nice TV, your Bluetooth radio, and then your control panel as well.
With the TV there back in the corner, again, making use of the room that you have. That's something that, I don't know what arm's on there now, but you may want to go out and get a bigger arm that can extend out to and get crazy with it. Oh yeah,
this one comes out a little bit there for you.
Yeah,
so.
there you go.
And then Winnebago also gives you a nice little wireless charging spot right there for your phone. So you can just come in, sit your phone there, and get a nice little charge on it. So.
Awesome. So there you go. It's a Winnebago. Oh, more space
more counter space.
Yeah, love it. Yeah, and it does. It just feels cozy. Is the best way to put it. I could see me hanging out with wifey in here for a couple days, weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Definitely want to be on the good side of the wifey when it's a small space like this.
Yeah. I don't know where you go if
she sends you to your room. It's like, okay, I'll take 2 steps. I'm in my room, honey.
Exactly. Unless the room becomes the pass-through storage underneath up front there.
There you go. That's a nice little doghouse spot.
Yeah, that could be it.